Another dry day ahead with sunshine for many of us, but how long will it last? I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday, 13th.
To last night.
No, so I don't drink in the week, so it's just my vocal folds must just be a little bit weak.
Laura, we've all got it. I've had it for 2. You'll get better.
I don't think anyone's got what Laura Tobin's got, because that voice is lower than even Alex being the weather.
So I'll just be very quiet. Some short weathers today.
Yeah.
OK, apparently Orange loves it, so great.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
No, she's talking about voice and wants longer weather forecasts. Laura...
Hello, Barry.
You know that my mum's going to be texting in saying, I told you should get some sleep.
Do you know what? It has gone up slightly
yeah.
since...
It does. Through the morning, it will just go up.
Just a semitone.
So, more sunshine. But before we get to the UK weather, let's just look at what's going to be happening in Spain over the next few days, because they have more heavy rain and thunderstorms. They're set to see up to 100 millimetres of rain over the next 2 to 3 days, with areas in the south still recovering from flooding. So through Malaga, Valencia, more heavy rainfall to come here as low pressure moves in. Further north
comes back.
A bit more Morgan.
Good morning to you. So, yes, as you can hear, I've just got a bit of a sore throat this morning. It was slowly lift and raise. And what I think is really funny is that was Andy trying to be sexy. That was definitely not sexy. Now, weather-wise, I can tell you, I can promise you brighter fortunes, as we've had for the last few days. High pressure is dominating. It's high pressure that keeps weather fronts at bay. And it means things are temperatures 14, maybe 15 degrees, with light winds and sunshine. Feels very nice indeed. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. So we still have high pressure dominating for now, but it doesn't last. We can see a big change as we head into the weekend. So temperature-wise, first of all, temperatures sit a little above average, but then with the change in weather type, it turns much colder as we head through to next week. So percentage chance of rainfall is low for the rest of the working week, but then as high pressure is replaced by low pressure this weekend, it turns wetter, colder, with the arrival of some sleet and snow across northern areas next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, temperature-wise, we're sitting around about, if not a little above average, but it does turn colder as we head through to next week. But percentage chance of rainfall is low. Fine, dry, enjoy this. We've had it for a long time. But then into the weekend, it turns wetter for all of us. Low pressure arrives, and again, hints that things turn colder into next week as well. Good morning to you. High pressure continues to dominate our weather, which keeps it fine and settled. And it means there's very little in the way of rainfall. The cloud thick at times, and it's the thicker cloud that will give some rain and drizzle across Scotland today, perhaps parts of Northern Ireland. First thing this morning, you can see on the satellite and radar, yes, it's dry, but a lot of cloud around. Low cloud for some. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather's still dominated by high pressure, which means it's largely fine and settled. More cloud around today across northern areas, and here it's damp and drizzly, but centrally with clear skies, it's a cold and frosty, but at least sunny start to our day. Any mist and fog will slowly lift and break, and then a good-looking day ahead for much of England, Wales and eastern Scotland. Dry with sunshine. Northern and western areas, cloudier, cooler, damp and drizzly, but in the sunshine today, top temperatures around about 14 degrees.